Many of you have asked what Gwent Police are doing to enforce the restrictions implemented by the UK and Welsh governments. Since lockdown began, Gwent Police have been out in our communities, engaging with residents, explaining the importance of staying at home, and encouraging people to help stop the spread of COVID-19. Sadly, there are still a minority of people who continue to ignore the instructions. These people are putting us all at greater risk. Gwent Police, under these circumstances, have no other option than to enforce warnings and issue fines to those who continue to ignore the instructions. To date, 80 fines have been issued, but fines are very much a last resort. Can I say that I am pleased that the overwhelming majority of people are following the instructions and helping to keep people safe.